folks, this is Raul here at World Water V, the Jayco dealership in Mesa, Arizona, and today I want to do a quick video showing you the awesome 2022 Jayco Eagle 321 RSTS. This is our most popular floor plan in this line. So check it out. It's got the opposing slides in the living room with a big trifold couch that becomes a bed. It's got a really nice smart TV with an HDMI cable standard, JBL sound system, really nice pantry with adjustable shelves, big microwave, double fridge, storage that can be used as pantry and or as clothing storage. Very nice bathroom with new colors for the cabinetry. Dark blue looks beautiful. Has the king size bed, and I wanted to show you that you can actually have a washer dryer in there as well, set up for washer dryer. Again, this is Raul here at World Water V, the Jayco dealership in Mesa. Please come by, let me show it to you in person. It's gorgeous.